Do not grab me. No.
Stop.
Do not.
Stop
do
it.
not grab this
I'm
one.
gonna lock up my car.
On June 8th, 2025, an officer stopped a driver who blew through a stop sign like it didn't exist. Let's watch this sovereign citizen genius explain why the law apparently stops for her.
Good morning, Officer Langwise of the Naples Police Department. The reason I'm stopping you is failure to come to a complete stop at the stop sign.
Oh, I thought I did. I'm sorry.
It's okay. Is this your license and registration?
I no longer use a license. I only have my passport that I use. I'm a state national, so I no longer have to abide by the corporation's rules, and I have my documentation for that.
Okay.
Those were previous citations that were dismissed by Judge Crone.
Yeah, this doesn't show me anything of why you don't have to have a driver's license, though.
I'm a state national, so I'm exempt from the problem, or what you guys do. I'm exempt from the...
Usually you have a card on you that states that they give you that you're exemplary.
Yeah, they haven't sent it to me yet, but I have filed all the paperwork, and it's been in place for 6 years.
It's been in place for what?
6 years.
And you don't have, if it's been in place for 6 years, you don't have the prior one?
They didn't send it to me yet.
In the whole entire 6 years, you've never had anything?
You know how our federal government works, so...
So what do you provide for documentation wherever you go? You only provide...
Yes, ma'am.
You should have been at least issued an identification card. Even if you don't have a driver's license, you should have a
because the
Florida
identification card, again, abides by your rules, leaning ownership of my vehicles, of myself to you. And I'm no longer a part of the corporation, so I'm exempt. So what we're doing here is illegal as far as me, because I no longer participate in the extortion of the police department.
Are you stating you're a sovereign citizen?
I'm not state national.
State national.
I'm not sovereign. I'm a state national.
Okay.
I'm a part of the Republic of the United States. No
Okay.
longer a part of the corporation.
Where do you reside at?
I reside in Naples, Florida.
Where exactly?
Here in Naples.
She proudly declared she doesn't need a driver's license because, of course, she's a citizen of her own nation. Then she refused to hand over any ID, claiming she's free from the corporation. It's less patriotism, more pure lunacy.
I know, but I need to know so I can issue you a citation. I need to know your address.
You don't have to issue me a citation.
We still have to follow the rules that everybody else follows.
No, ma'am, I do not. I do not. That's why I always get it excused.
You don't have any documentation on you stating that, so you're not exempt.
No, I am exempt. Believe me, you'll get a bond from me that goes directly towards you, that fines you for every minute that you're holding me here. There is no crime that's committed. You can only detain me if there's a crime committed.
Ma'am, you are legally have to follow
There's no injured party.
If you're operating a motor vehicle in Florida.
No.
You still have to follow the regulations.
No, I don't. See, you guys are extorting money from us. See, the problem is you're violating my Fourth Amendment right.
No, I'm actually not, ma'am.
Yes, you are. I can go through it with you, doll.
Okay.
I have it all
You
here.
stand by for me.
She started accusing the cops of extortion, rambling about laws even Google wouldn't recognize. The officers finally called for backup because logic clearly wasn't working.
Sarge, do you have a minute?
Sure, go right ahead.
Okay, so I'm on a traffic stop with a woman who's stating she's not a sovereign citizen, but she's a citizen. And
Here's more documentation from the judge.
okay, can you repeat again what you just told me?
I'm a state traveler. I'm a state national. I have the right to travel freely. I'm not encumbered by any of your laws or regulations.
Stating she doesn't have to have a driver's license. She can run the stop sign, do everything,
common law.
and that she travels through common law. And
If she If she fails to produce identification or a driver's license, she can be
I
arrested.
did produce my
She gave me her passport, but she says she doesn't have a driver's license. She doesn't need a driver's license. She doesn't have one for 6
If
years.
she doesn't have a driver's license, just like anyone else, she can be arrested for not having a driver's license.
no state shall convert my
I'll
butt.
send you back up.
It's a
Okay,
God-given
thanks.
right.
All right, bye.
It's a God-given right. You guys are extorting money from us. It's a God-given right. Murdoch versus Pennsylvania. It's a God-given right. We're the supreme law of
Ma'am,
the
do you have your
land.
registration for the vehicle?
I don't have registration with me now. I don't have to provide it. I am.
Ma'am, you do. You're driving a
No,
vehicle
ma'am. I am
on the road.
common law.
I
It is not a
understand your
privilege. It's a
common
right.
law.
It's a God-given right for me to be
Ma'am.
able to travel.
Ma'am, do you have your registration with
No, I
you?
don't.
Okay. So you have no registration, no driver's
I
license?
have it. I just don't have it on me. I don't have to carry it. So
Well,
go ahead and call
in-
your supervisor
In the
here.
event, you get into an accident with somebody or somebody,
I have-
all these documents
I
have
have
to
it.
actually
I have insurance.
Okay. Well,
I
yes,
have
but the
insurance, and
vehicle
I've
has to
also
be
got a
registered
bond.
too.
So there's no
That's
injured party here, honey.
Okay.
You
It
don't-
doesn't matter if there's no
Absolutely
injured party.
it does. That's when a crime is committed. That's the only time you can pull me.
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
There's
you
an
need to-
injured party.
No,
You're
that's not how it
you're
works.
offering the contract is not accepted.
Stand by.
You're offering.
Yeah, 10-4 for now, please.
What's up?
She's sovereign.
Huh?
She's sovereign. She won't provide me with a driver's license. Her driver's license is expired in 2025. She registration is up to date actually, and so right now she's just giving me all types of problems. I was just gonna write her for expired driver's license.
10-4.
And
What type of pole is it that's on the ground there? Is it
Then
going to
she
be a
started
FPL
giving me a
pole
hard
or is it
time,
going to be a city
like
pole?
mouthing off. So Sarge said to
The
call
only number I
somebody
see on
else
it now
because
is
she's not complying with
105.
anything.
Okay.
10-4 is
Actually, that's right.
So
10-4.
for
Is it one of the
Florida,
white ones or green?
she has an expired driver's license. She can't drive. So somebody else is either gonna have to come drive her car, and it's an arrest, or right?
Yep.
That's about 14. Can you run the female arrow, please?
Get my gloves. Okay, ma'am. I need you to turn your vehicle off for me.
What's the purpose?
She moved on to her God-given rights, preaching about freedom to travel and demanding to see a superior officer. The cops were running out of patience, and she was running out of luck.
Because your driver's license is actually expired, ma'am. You don't have
the
a
state of
valid
Florida
driver's
has turned
license.
my freedom to travel freely into
Ma'am,
a.
what I need you to do right now is turn your car off for me so we can get this situated.
What are we getting situated?
I'm trying to help you,
What are you trying to help me with?
ma'am.
No, I don't understand. What are you trying to help me with?
I've explained everything to you. I've been very kind and helpful
I
to
can't
you.
go forward without my attorney.
Okay, that's fine. I
So
need
call
you to...
your supervisor.
My partner is here with
I
me
need
right
your
now.
supervisor. Call your
Okay.
supervisor, please.
We can do that
And what
too.
is your badge number, please?
Ma'am, I'm trying to help you in the
You
best
have to-
way that
you
I
have to
can.
disclose your badge number.
And I have no problem doing
You
that.
have to disclose your badge number right now,
Okay.
according to Shapiro versus Thompson.
Okay, that's no problem, ma'am.
These are constitutional laws that have been put in place, ma'am. That's what I follow, the Constitution. The
that
state
is-
of Florida has
that is
taken my
good.
right to
That is
travel
good.
freely
That is
in my
okay.
private vehicle and turned it into a privilege,
That's
which is
okay.
against my constitutional rights.
That's okay.
I am not contracting with you.
Okay.
My
We're
partner
not
has
five
been very
traffic
kind
cars
with
in
you.
pole.
I understand.
Go
Go ahead and get your
Hear me
supervisor.
out for a second, okay?
Just, I heard what you had to say. At this point, she has asked you to turn the vehicle off and step out of the vehicle.
I'm not
If you
stepping
listen to
out
me,
of my-
you are going to step out of the vehicle
Why would I do that?
because I asked you to.
You don't have any authority
I do.
over me.
I do.
No, you don't,
Yes, I do.
sir. You both are criminals.
No, you're going to
both
step
are-
out of the vehicle, or I'm going to
No,
make you get out of the vehicle.
I'm going to church.
No, you're going to get out of the vehicle right now. Nope. Nope.
Stop
Do
it.
not. Do not.
Stop it.
Do not.
Don't.
Don't.
No.
Oh my
no.
God.
No. No.
Keith.
No. No.
Stop. Leave me alone.
Listen.
Oh my God, I'm going to church.
You are
Stop it. Leave me alone. Please stop. Oh my God, are you crazy?
No, you're going to step out of the vehicle
Oh
right
my
now.
God, wait, let me turn my vehicle
No,
off.
do not grab me. No.
Stop.
Do not.
Stop
do not.
it.
Grab this one.
I'm gonna lock up my car.
No.
I'm gonna
no.
lock up my car.
No.
Ma'am, we tried to help
Oh my
you.
God, Bert.
Central Bravo.
Hold on,
12,
get your
33
get your
Listen,
supervisor.
Step out. Step out. Step
Oh my
out.
God, let me
Step
put
out
my
now.
car in
Step
park.
out now.
out.
Step
Let
out
me
now.
put my car in
Step
park.
out
Step out.
now.
Step out.
Now.
Step out.
My car's
Step out.
Stay right there. Do not move.
33.
Oh my God. Oh.
Yep.
Nobody else in the car?
Nope.
Please lock
Step.
up my car.
No.
I want to lock up my
Okay,
car.
I'm going to take care of it in a second.
Please let me go to church.
In handcuffs, she still wouldn't quit, whining about tight cuffs, screaming for a lawyer, and calling the tow truck theft. The drama was endless. Delusion and victimhood, her favorite combo.
Don't tighten them again. You don't have to tighten them that much, sir.
and they are loose.
Relax.
Nope.
Ow, you don't have to tighten it, sir.
I'm not tightening.
They have
You
to.
are. You're tightening
They
my
have to be
band.
clamped on. They're handcuffs.
Are you the supervisor?
I am the supervisor.
Okay, I need you to please get my purse and call my attorney.
Ma'am, I'm not calling your attorney.
Wait a minute.
I will we will
You're
take
not-
care of your
You're
property.
going to have a seat right now.
Don't handle me like that.
You're going to
kid.
sit down, please.
Stop it.
Sit down and put your legs in.
Don't tow my car. I'll
Thank you.
call my brother to come down.
Thank you.
Please don't tow my car.
Watch your legs.
Please don't tow my vehicle. Can I please call my brother?
No,
Why?
because it's getting towed.
Why? That's theft.
It's not.
Sir, you're stealing my car if you impound it. Sir, can I please secure my vehicle? Sir. Let me secure my car, please. My purse and everything. How am I supposed to get out of jail?
It's getting towed.
What about my personal belongings?
They're going to be secured in the vehicle.
Sir, I've got money in that purse. Please don't do that to me.
What kind of money do you have?
I have over $2,000 in that purse. Please.
Okay. I can check with the supervisor and ask you if he's...
Please let me have my purse so I can post bail. Please.
Let me check. She would like to bring her purse with her
I
to
was
jail.
just making sure I see a lot of lighters, so I just
Okay.
want to make sure
Okay,
there's
just
nothing
confirm.
in here that's not supposed to be in here before we bring it to the jail.
While you're doing that, I'm going to type the jail intake. She can have her phone too. I will bring your purse and your phone for you.
Thank you, sir.
Yep,
Can you please roll up my windows?
we will.
And I can't have the coat towed because it's on a security.
It's going to get towed. There is nothing around that.
What if you f up my car?
It's not going to,
How do you know that?
because we notate any damage on it prior to the tow,
There is no damage on my car.
and there won't be anyone to get it.
How do I get it?
You'll be advised on where it's going to get towed to.
How long am I going to be in jail?
I can't answer that question. I don't know. That's not up to us.
Well, we need a magistrate here to tell me that right now.
You'll go before a judge when you get in.
Okay.
She was charged with failing to obey police orders, resisting an officer with violence, and battery on specified personnel. Quite the resume for someone who swears she's above the law. Actions have consequences, and hers are just getting started. Stay tuned.